Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, multiply 5, 10 divided by 5. So, 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50 divided by 5. Now, 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So, now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is a parenthesis. Okay, we can write this in the parenthesis like 5 plus 5 multiply 5 then divide 5. Okay, we can write it this type. So now first priority is parenthesis, but in this parenthesis here is addition and here is the multiplication. First priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so first 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25, so 5 plus 25 divided by 5. Now 5 plus 25 is equal to 30 divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So the correct answer is 6. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.